To shop online using PayPal, you first need to create a PayPal account if you do not already have one. This involves going to the PayPal website and following the sign-up process, which requires your name, email address, and other basic information. You will also need to link a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, or your bank account, to your PayPal account. Once your account is set up, you can start shopping online at any website that accepts PayPal. When you are ready to check out, look for the PayPal option as a payment method. Click on this option and you will be redirected to the PayPal website to log into your account. After logging in, you will be asked to confirm the payment amount and the shipping address. You can also choose to pay with a specific credit or debit card or bank account that you have linked to your PayPal account. Once you have confirmed the payment details, click the Pay Now button to complete the transaction. One of the benefits of using PayPal is that it provides an additional layer of security when shopping online. When you pay with PayPal, the seller receives your payment without seeing your credit or debit card details. This helps to protect you from identity theft and other forms of online fraud. It is also worth noting that PayPal offers buyer protection, which means that if you do not receive an item that you have purchased or if it is not as described, you can dispute the transaction with PayPal and they will help to resolve the issue. To get the most out of using PayPal, it is a good idea to keep your account information up to date, including your email address and payment methods. You should also make sure to only use PayPal on secure websites, and to keep your password and other account information confidential. In addition, you can use the PayPal mobile app to shop online and make payments on the go. The app allows you to link your credit or debit cards, track your transactions, and receive notifications when you make a payment. Overall, using PayPal to shop online is a convenient and secure way to make payments. By following these steps and taking advantage of the benefits that PayPal has to offer, you can enjoy a safe and hassle-free online shopping experience.